Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So today I have a wig review for you guys, and today's wig is coming to you from Charisma. And I bought this wig online off of Amazon, and yeah, so let's get into this demo slash try on slash review. It's a lot in one. So like I said, I got this wig from Charisma. I guess I'm saying this right, Charisma? ItsMyRayeRaye featured a wig that she bought from the same company. This is not the exact wig, because her wig was pink and amazing, and I didn't want to jump right into pink, but the wig I got, I thought it was going to be something else. Anyway, so like I said, I got it from Amazon, Amazon Prime, so it was one-day shipping, free one-day shipping. So I ordered it Thursday, got it Friday, and of course it comes in the Amazon sleeve. And this package comes in another package, but they also supply a wig cap, a nude wig cap at that, so I'm really appreciative for that, and a card for just wig care and, you know, information. So the wig I got is the blonde lace front, and girl, I don't even know how long this is. I don't even know how to tell you, like maybe it's like 24. You'll see how long it is on me and I'll give you my height. But baby, she is not coming to play with anybody. Like, I'm stretching my arm out. She is very long. It kind of looks silver on camera, but it's like a platinum blonde, like really platinum blonde with like brown roots. And I'm very happy that the roots go like throughout the whole wig, so it doesn't just stop at, like, you know, the top, how most of them do. So, you know, if the wind blows, it won't, you know, tell your secret fully, but I mean, the color and the length will probably tell your secret. But still, we're trying to, you know, catfish people out here in these streets. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm so excited. It comes with the regular lace front and a comb in the front, and then two combs in the back. Oh yeah, here it is, two combs on the side. So here's the combs on the side, and then the comb in the nape, and then the adjustable straps are at the bottom. I might need to put a little foundation on the knots. Yeah, I'm gonna have to at least put a little foundation on the knots. But the hairline, I'm not mad at. So I think I'm coming to terms that I kind of have a big head, or just like a lot of thick hair, because whenever I don't braid down my hair when I put on wigs, it's a struggle. It's a true struggle. So I'm actually going to put some foundation on my wig cap. I'm using the Revlon Instant Filter foundation. I did a foundation review on this, so if you want to see it, just click this eye up here. But it's a little bit too light for me, so it would work perfect on my cap. Okay, so just from me putting her on and off to finesse her, she's already starting to get tangled. So I mean, it's synthetic, so I'm not expecting, you know, a whole lot. But let's go ahead and clip her back to try to glue her down. Taking my Got2b, and I know some people would say, don't put it on your hairline, it takes off your edges. It's all in how you take off this gel. I always drench the frontal with water and it just peels right off. Like, I soak it with water and then let it dry. I never just rip it off. So I've been doing this, I mean, ever since I've been wearing wigs for the past, what, few months, and my hair is still growing. I put oil on my edges just to make sure it's still moisturized. But yeah, you have to be patient and you have to get this gel really, really wet for it to come off. Quickly wrap my scarf around it and just let it finish drying for the next 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be back to finesse the front. Alright, so now we got her nice and secured. You guys can really see the parting space now. It's like good right here. So yeah, we get about this much parting space, but this front part is really plucked, but then it gets kind of thick right here. So if you can like pluck this out and tweeze this, I think the parting space will be much better. Take just a few hairs in the front and let's see if I can finesse some kind of baby hairs. We'll see. I've never been very good with the hairs of the baby. So this has been one of the easier wigs that I have dealt with. So you see this little hump right here. I'm probably just gonna take like a flat iron on really, really low heat and just put it right there to flatten it out, and then just wrap my scarf back around it to set it, and maybe spray some hairspray on it to set it. Stats on the wig, it was around $35. Now that I'm going back and looking at my receipt, free shipping, and I like it for what it is. It's not like an everyday wig. It's definitely like a weekend or a going out or maybe a festival look. This is really cute. Let me show you guys how long it is to my boobs, and then all the hair to the back. It almost comes to my butt, or it does come to my butt. So it is very long, and the texture is different. So this feels like, I don't know what it feels like. Actually, it kind of feels like plastic fibers. It doesn't feel like actual hair. You know how some synthetic wigs, they just feel so real? This actually feels like it is like plastic. So, I mean, it's still lightweight. It still looks, you know, fun and festive, but it just has like a different feeling to it. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this demo, installation, and review. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know. I'm planning to explore some more Amazon wig companies, So if you have any companies that you've been seeing and you kind of been questioning, just leave them down in the comments below. I will try them out for you. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, join the family. We do hair videos, makeup, sometime fashion, and yeah, we just have a whole lot of fun over here. So if you like it, subscribe. If not, whatever, you can be a part of the 60% that just keeps on, you know, lurking through the woods. But I'll see you guys next time.